In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Webflow through Google, open your site from the dashboard, locate the Components panel, and safely delete a component using the Options menu. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Webflow into the search bar and choose the official Webflow result. This is the quickest, most reliable way to get to the right place, especially if you're working on a new computer. If you're not already signed in, Webflow will prompt you to log in before showing your dashboard. From your dashboard, look for the project you want to work with and click View Site. This takes you into your project so you can get oriented. If you manage multiple projects, take a second to confirm you're in the correct one by checking the project name and thumbnail. It's a simple habit that helps you avoid making changes in the wrong place. Once you're inside your project interface, find the Components area. Components in Webflow are reusable building blocks, things like headers, footers, cards, or buttons, that you've saved so you can keep your design consistent across pages. Opening the Components section will show you a list of everything you've created, often organized by category or name, which makes it easy to scan. If your list is long, use the search bar to quickly filter by the component's name. Next, locate the component you want to remove and open its Options menu by clicking the three dots to the right of its name. This menu is where you manage the component, and it's designed to prevent accidental clicks by requiring this extra action before you make big changes. Take a moment here to verify the exact item you've selected. Matching the name and thumbnail preview to what you expect helps prevent mistakes. Now choose Delete. Webflow will remove the component from your project's library. Be aware that deleting a component can affect places where it's used. If you're unsure, consider noting where the component appears so you can review those pages afterward. If you change your mind immediately, you can use Undo right away, and version history is available if you need to roll back broader changes. As a best practice, tidy up unused components to keep your project lean, but double-check active ones before you remove them. That's the complete process. Find Webflow with Google, open your site from the dashboard, navigate to Components, open the three-dot menu, and delete the component you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and happy building.